What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video, right? So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a cool boom 300 increase 300 strategy, right? So the first thing you want to do is remember we'll always start with a higher time frame, right? And I like to use the 1 hour time frame specifically because this is how I'm used to trading, right? Now what you can do is you can use different time frames, right? But just make sure that you start off in a higher time frame and scale down to a lower time frame because this is a scalping strategy, right? Now on boom 300, what you want to do is, okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the trend of the market. So as you can see that once we add our indicators that we need, right? Now our first indicator that we need for the strategy is that our moving average. Now make sure that your parameters are like this. The period should be 21, sub-zero, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel blue, right? So once you're done with that, we can actually see that over here we had a crossover, right? Check this out. Price, okay, the candles decided to break below the moving average. So what does this mean? It means that the market is moving in a downtrend, right? But sometimes, like over here, the candles did break, okay, but what it did was consolidated, okay, but over here it broke out clearly. And to clarify things, we could actually take a trend line and just draw it like this, right, and see where the breakout had happened, and we can actually see that it is a breakout. It's not a fake out, right? So check it out, right? The next indicator we're going to need for the strategy is another moving average. Now make sure that your parameters are like this. The period should be 9, okay, sub-zero, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel red, okay. So this is how it's going to look like. So we can add this double crossover over here, which shows us that the market is moving in a downtrend, plus the trend line was extra confirmation, right? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scale down to a lower time frame, okay? So the first indicator you're going to add right now in the chart is your stochastic oscillator. Now make sure that your parameters like this: K period 1, D period 1, sloping 1, price low or high, method simple, main 2 pixel green, signal 1 pixel white. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have our 90 and 95 level, okay, and then we have our 10 and 5 level on the chart, right? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add another indicator, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, we're going to add another indicator, right? Now make sure that another indicator is your envelopes. Now make sure that your period is 3, sub-zero, deviation 0.100, method simple, apply to close, upper band 2 pixel blue, lower band 2 pixel red, no levels needed. Okay, so over here we can actually see that the envelopes was also at a 90 level, okay, and then after we saw the envelopes at the 90 level, we had this crossover, we had this trend line extra confirmation, right? So we can clearly see now that the market is moving in a downtrend. Okay, so after seeing that the market is moving in a downtrend, what are we going to do? So as you guys can see, the next thing we're going to do is the envelopes is at the 90 level, right? So we are just waiting on a crossover. So as soon as a crossover happen, right, we are going to take a sell, right, since we know that the market is moving in a downtrend. So check this out. The envelopes over here, right, make sure to zoom out the chart completely. Okay, the envelopes is moving. You must get to a level where the envelopes doesn't move. Okay, so for example, over here the envelopes doesn't move. Okay, now let me just zoom in. So, okay, let's check this out. The envelopes is in the 90 level, crossover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, but only take 2 to 5 candles because this is boom 300 and crash 300. Okay, so over here, here's another one. Check this out. Envelopes is in the 90 level. Wait for the crossover, we take an entry. Okay, let me just show you guys another entry before I'm done with this video, right? So check this out. Envelopes at the 90 level, crossover, we take a sell, 2 to 5 candles only because this is boom 300. I repeat, do not try to hold your trades for too long, okay, because at the end of the day the market will spike and it will blow your account. So thank you for watching this video. If you find any value in this video, don't forget to join my free signals group. The link is in the description. Also join my free forex telegram group, okay, where I give out free systems and EAs and keep you guys updated with future videos. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it.